Blazing new trails, unleashing your potential. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very inspiring phrase, blazing new trails. This expression is not just about paths in the woods. It's a metaphor for life, innovation, and courage. So, let's dive in and discover how you can use this phrase to boost your English and inspire your journey. Blazing new trails might sound like it's about fire or the outdoors, but it's actually a metaphor. To blaze a trail means to create a new path where none existed before. This can be taken literally, like when explorers make new paths in uncharted territories. However, more often, we use it to talk about innovation, breaking new ground, or doing something pioneering in any field of life or work. The phrase has deep historical roots. Originally, blazing referred to the practice of marking paths through forests with blazes, slashes or marks on trees. This helped others follow in the footsteps of pioneers. Today, when we talk about blazing new trails, we're referring to individuals or groups who lead the way in new areas, breaking barriers and setting new standards. In a modern context, blazing new trails can be applied to various scenarios. In technology, inventing new gadgets or software. In science, discovering new treatments or exploring uncharted territories. In business, creating new markets or innovative products. In personal development, overcoming obstacles or achieving something first in your family or community. You can use blazing new trails to describe anyone doing something pioneering or innovative. For example, the startup is blazing new trails in renewable energy. She is blazing new trails in her field, being the first to introduce these methods. It's a powerful phrase to motivate and inspire, whether you're talking about personal achievements or groundbreaking professional work. Blazing new trails is more than just an English phrase. It's an encouragement to be bold, to innovate, and to pave the way for others. Whether in your studies, career, or personal life, remember that blazing new trails is about making your mark and pushing beyond boundaries. We hope this video inspires you to explore new paths and reach for your dreams. Thank you for watching, and keep pushing forward.